See, nowadays the coughing is very common amongst the children. When the mother says that मेरे बच्चे को खांसी बहुत आती है on waking and short dry paroxysmal cough, which are the medicines? Carboys, right?
Calibacronicum. Restox.
Right. So here the coughing is more on waking. One of the most important is focus cacti, where the cough is aggravation from cold drinks and cold air, and the cough ends in a vomiting. You can see in the Materia Medica. So you have to give a 200 potency frequent doses. Focus cacti always helps.